The follow-up on overdue invoices template helps you automatically remind members when an invoice is overdue, saving your team time, reducing manual work, and improving cash flow. Whether you're running your space solo or managing multiple locations, this automation ensures no invoice goes unpaid without putting added stress on your team. Let's walk through how to set it up in your Optix dashboard. Start by clicking into the template and selecting Customize. As with all templates, we recommend customizing it first so you can review the messaging and make sure it aligns with your brand voice. Now, let's break down the logic behind the automation. The trigger is set to date with a condition only continue if it's 7 days after the oldest overdue invoice date. This means the automation will only run once an invoice has been overdue for 7 days. Of course, you can adjust the time frame to fit with your financial SOPs. The action is Send Message. This is where you can create a friendly, branded reminder that includes invoice details. The message can be sent automatically via in-app. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've set up a powerful automation that keeps your invoice follow-ups consistent and timely.